Reference templates. After completing this video, you will be able to manage links to reference templates, respond to template setting conflict warnings, work with referenced components, and understand load-unload reference templates. Reference templates ensure consistency across project drawings, letting you manage style changes from a single source rather than editing each drawing manually. To set a reference file, you'll go to the Manage tab. On the Styles panel, click Reference. In the Attached Reference Template dialog box, click the plus symbol to attach a reference file and select the reference file you wish to attach. Then click Open. This will show you all the styles that are in that template, and I can look at the styles of each one. You'll notice that Basic is gray and the others are black. That signifies that Basic is in the current drawing and the others are in both the template and the current drawing. If I click on one of the styles, I can go and look at its properties, and I can see that this tree has a marker block set to Shrub 2. However, I can tell that that's not the style I have in this drawing. If I'd like to apply the changes, I can click Apply and click OK. And you can see that not only did that tree block change, but the color of the block also changed. When I go to the Toolspace Settings tab and expand my styles, you'll notice that there's a paperclip next to each style. These paperclips indicate that they're being referenced from a reference template. If I would like to change one of my styles because it's very project specific, I can right-click on that style and select Edit. Then I can change the block that it's using and change the layer for the marker to make sure it's going to the tree, and click OK. When I click OK, it's going to give me a warning that the style comes from a reference template and cannot be edited. That forces me to make a decision. I can make a local copy of the style with a unique name, or I can apply the edits for this drawing session only. That means that the reference template will override the style the next time I open up this drawing. So if I need to make a copy of it because it's very project specific, I'll want to select the first option. And you can see now I have the tree copy and I still have the tree coming from the reference file. When I hover over that style with a paperclip next to it, it tells me exactly what reference template is being used so that I can go and make changes to that reference template should I need to. If I would like to temporarily unload my reference file without completely losing the path, I can go to the Manage tab, Style panel, and click Reference. Here I can uncheck mark the Load box and click OK. That will temporarily unload the styles that are coming from the template. And you can see I'm only left with the styles that are physically in this drawing that are not referenced in that reference template.